Welcome to week 16, assignment 3. As I stated in my opening video, it is the Hour of Code week. And because this is a CTE or Career and Technical Education course, we are going to participate. So assignment 3 is going to be going to Hour of Code and creating a Flappy game. So what you will do is I have messaged everybody a copy of their login, and what you need to do is it's going to look something like this is what I sent you. You need to click, copy, paste, type this right here, studio.code.org/section/VVYHXW, or it'll have some other letters depending on what class you have me in. And you need to type that into or copy and paste it into your browser. It will bring up, if you're in period 1, these are your names. So this one is my name. And then if you also look on here, it says type in your secret word. It will have a secret word here. And so I'm going to type in my go ahead and put your age in is fine. I'm going to be 21 and forever. And then hit continue. And so now this is an assignment. So I'm going to be able to see that you have done these 10 or where you are at in these 10. Okay? So, and when you're done with the 10th one, it's going to come up and it's going to give you a completed. You have completed Flappy Code. That is the screen that I need you to make a screenshot of so that you can turn it in the assignment. Okay, so I can tell by looking at this how far you've got, but I want you to go all the way through, complete the game, and take a screenshot of the final one where you have completed it and turn that in the assignment. All right. So once you get here, you're going to click on try now, and then it is going to take you, it's going to give you a video, and then it will give you different things so that you can make your own Flappy game. It should only take about an hour. I do suggest you watch the videos. There's some really cool people that get on there. And, but anyway, so we are just going to touch our baby toe in the water, and we are going to just do a little itty bitty bit of coding, but hopefully we'll have fun, and we're participating in a worldwide campaign this week called the Hour of Code. So if you have any problems, questions, please message me, reach out to me, and if not, I hope to see you soon, and I hope you have a great week.